What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to find Windows 11 product key. This is a quick tutorial in which we'll tell you the command you have to type in the command prompt, and by typing that command in there you'll get your original product key. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. To get your Windows 11 product key, you have to click on a start icon, type in here cmd. Here you'll see command prompt, click on run as administrator. Here click yes and you'll see your command prompt. Here you have to type a command. Let me open this command from here. Let me copy it. This command is already mentioned in the description, so you can copy this command and you can type that in your Windows 11 command prompt. And after typing the command, press enter and you'll see a screen like this. As you can see, I'm not getting my product key in here because my Windows 11 PC is activated with the digital license. So that's why it's not showing the key in here. In some cases it doesn't show that thing in here. It's like in company license and all that thing, and because of that you will not get your Windows 11 product key in here. So if you are not getting your product key, do not worry about it, as it's activated through the digital license. So that's the reason why you're not getting your product key in here. Apart of this, if you have purchased your product key online, then you can simply check your email address which is connected to your online shopping portal like Amazon, Best Buy or any other website, any other online shopping website, and check your email. You'll surely get your product key written in there. You can check the online store as well. You can simply go to Amazon website and from there you can check out every information. Everything is in the paper, or you can get that product key if you have purchased from Amazon or some kind of online shopping portal. Or if you have purchased your laptop from any kind of store, then you can check your sticker as well. If you're using a Windows 11 laptop, then you will find a sticker underside of your laptop and there you'll find your product key. So that's all for today. That's how you can find your product key on Windows 11 PC. I hope you liked our video. Give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.